Hello guys, today I am teaching you guys how to make a very beautiful seaside painting. If you guys are new to my channel, then subscribe to my channel and don't forget to share and like. If you like my video, then comment, let me tell you. So let's start here. Are the colors we need for this? Cobalt blue, titanium white, sky blue, burnt sienna, leaf green, raw sienna, rose, and black color. All the colors will be taken out on the palette that we need. First we need a cobalt blue and sky blue to make the sky. We will use this blue color first to make water, and we will use a shade light color on the sky, and we with white color we will make clouds on the sky in this way. We will mix the white color each other to make the sky. Then we will make the sea water. I will use the sky blue color for the water to lighten it up a bit in the middle. I have left the colors for the mountains. In a little water, we will also make gray color and white in a little. After the water, we will now make the mountains in front. On which we will color and also make small mountains on it, on which we will do burnt sienna and black color. Now with white color, we will make waves in the middle of the water, and we will also make some stones in the middle. A little bit will make blue color somewhere. Now we will give a little shade with raw sienna color on its mountains. We will paint black on the mountains. Burnt sienna color or raw sienna color and black color will be used for this. Now we will do a little leaf green color in the middle of the mountains. Now we will do a little green color, also green color on the front mountain. We have colored black before. Now we will make the grass on top of the mountain with light green color. And after that we will make light pink colored flowers somewhere, and above these pink flowers we will shade with yellow color. Now our seaside painting is ready. If you like my painting, then like my videos and subscribe to my channel. Bye.